Let us be honest. Staying motivated in the world of investing, especially Forex isn't easy. You start with big dreams, but then come the losses, the slow weeks, the self-doubt. That's why in this video, we're going to break down how to set realistic investment goals and, more importantly, how to stay mentally strong and motivated through the ups and downs. Because here's the truth. Motivation isn't just about hype. It's about clarity. Step 1. Set outcome and process goals. Most investors focus only on outcome goals. I want to make $1,000 per week, or I want a 30% ROI this quarter. Those are fine, but they don't drive consistency. Why? Because outcomes depend on the market, and you can't control the market. What you can control is your process. So in addition to your outcome goals, set process goals like, I'll journal every trade I take no matter what. I'll review my strategy every Friday. I'll only risk 1% per trade consistently. I'll stay off the charts during low volatility sessions. These build discipline, and discipline creates results, not motivation alone. Step 2. Define goals by time horizon. Break your goals into short, medium, and long term. Short term, focus on flawless execution, not profits. Your goal might be, follow my trade plan with 0 emotional deviation this week. Medium term, evaluate your win rate, R multiple, or percent drawdown. Adjust your plan. Long term, focus on account growth and skill maturity. Are you becoming calmer under pressure? Do you cut losses faster? Do you let profits run? Goals that evolve with you, not just your account balance, are the ones that last. Step 3. Track progress visually. Motivation drops when you can't see how far you've come. Keep a trading scorecard or visual dashboard. Track things like winning weeks versus losing weeks, how many setups you skipped because they didn't meet your criteria, how often you stuck to your max risk level, how fast you recovered after drawdowns. Seeing even small wins builds confidence, and confidence compounds just like capital. Step 4. Accept seasons. Some months, the market rewards you. Other months, it teaches you. Don't expect consistent income every week, especially in Forex. Accept that markets move in cycles, and so should your expectations. Build your plan to survive dry seasons and scale up when conditions favor your edge. Step 5. Stay connected. Investing alone leads to burnout. Isolation kills motivation faster than failure. That's why one of the smartest things you can do is plug into a trading community where people speak your language, share real results, and keep each other accountable. And that's what we've built at Innohedge. We're not here to promise you overnight profits or emotional hype. We're here to help you build something sustainable. With strategy guides, psychological tools, weekly check-ins, and goal-setting templates designed specifically for serious Forex investors. If you're ready to turn your goals into action and your motivation into real, measurable growth, join Innohedge today, because the markets don't reward wishful thinking. They reward structure. And structure starts with you.